Hello my beautiful friends, happy new year. This is Sabina and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below to be a friend with me and be a part of my YouTube community. So wow, I can't believe that we are in 2021. Oh, 2020 just went by so fast and it was quite a bit of year. 2020 was a year that nobody will forget. And what should I say? 2020 was the year of my self-reflections. I did a lot of self-reflections on myself, and what I realized is that no matter how much money you have those expensive bags, shoes, cars, house, whatever, but the most important thing is your health and your family's health and your friends' health. That's all is the most important thing. That's what I realized in 2020 is a healthy life is the most important thing. So I am very much thankful that all my family and my friends are healthy and happy. That's all matter to me. And I did a lots of self-reflection on myself, and it was a very hard year for all of us. And I'm not gonna say just only me, because we all are the part of this crazy pandemic with this virus, and it was a crazy year. But I'm hoping we're gonna have a beautiful 2021 and just hope for the best, right? Anyways, so I want to share something with you guys, that my best purchase of 2020, and there are some big items and there are some small items, but I just want to share with you that the items that I absolutely love it, like absolutely, like, you know, I'm sharing you those are the items that made my 2020 went smoothly and made me happy. Those are the items made me happy to go through with this crazy year, right? The first item, let's just start with the small items or the big items. Let me see. Let's just start with my coffee mug. Look at how pretty is this. Who likes good coffee mug? If you guys are like crazy like me, raise your hand in the comment below. I love good coffee mug. See, every morning when I wake up, drink my coffee in a nice cup, makes my day. And also I felt like the coffee tastes better. I don't know why. It does really matters. And this cup is from Anthropologie and I got it on sale, and it has a S monogrammed, S for Sabina, and my last name is Stone, so perfectly. I love this tiled monogrammed coffee mug from Anthropologie. It's so beautiful, and look at just the design. I love this gold, like, you know, around here. It's just so beautiful cup. So if you guys are looking for a good coffee mug, then go to Anthropologie website, or you can go to visit their store. They have this tiled design coffee mug. I'm just so obsessed with this design. Believe me or not, I have quite a bit of this tile design things around my house. Coffee really tastes good. Next item is also from Anthropologie, and this is my little boudoir tray. This is not big, this is perfect to hold my jewelries, and I love the writing here, boudoir, and I love the design, and this is just so beautiful. I have their toothpaste holders, I have their soap holders, like all are matching in it. So if you are looking for something really cute and little for your jewelry holder, I would really recommend this from the Anthropologie. Next one is, let's go with my skincare. I love good skincare product, and I'm always on the hunt of good skin cream product, and I'm always watching these YouTubers, and, like, you know, all my friends, they're recommending what is the best skincare product to purchase. This year I try to go a little bit different route. Usually I like to use the same items, but this year I tried to decide, like, you know, for my clothing, for everything, I tried to decide to go a little different route and try this Elemis by the Elemis brand. And I ordered quite a few of items and I kind of like it. So far I'm happy. So the one that I am using is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm. I love these items. If you wear a makeup all day, like your foundation, it's really take all your makeup out. Look at this, how much I already used it. So it's a cleansing balm. You can take it and you can put it in your skin, and when you start slowly rubbing your skin, it literally melts your balm in your skin. And first I will clean all my skin everywhere, and then at the end I will go and slowly scrub because I wear, you know, eyeliner, black eyeliners, and so I will go to scrub slowly, and then I will leave it there for a little bit, and I will rinse it with warm water. Next item that I've been loving is this eyeshadow palette from Tarte, and this is a Tarte lid toasted, and this literally smells like a marshmallow. This smells so good, and then I love all the colors, and I've been using this since I got it in November. I really like it. And you know, I try not to purchase too many eyeshadows because I don't want to be a hoarder anymore. I used to be a makeup hoarder, but I tried not to be that anymore. So I try to use this only one, and this is working quite good to me. If you're looking for a good and reasonable price eyeshadow palette, then I will highly recommend this Tarte. And Tarte always have a good sale, and who doesn't love sale? I love sale. Good product on top of that good sale is a good scoring, right? So if you are looking for my eye palette, then I will highly recommend this Tarte lid. So that's for my eye makeup. That's what I used it today. So let's go to the jewelry. I love gold jewelry. I was born in Nepal. I am Nepali, and Nepalese people love gold, and I love gold. I love silver too, but I love gold mostly. So this September, October, we had a Diwali. So my husband gifted me these earrings for Diwali, and this is 22 karat gold ear hoop. I love this ear hoop so much. Since then, I've been wearing every single day. Trust me or no, I've been wearing every single day. I like something, I wear so much, and I don't care about people say she wears that every day. Who cares, right? If you like something, wear it. So this was not that expensive either. It was like, I don't know, like around like in between like $200 to $300. And I love this. This is not big. This is perfect for my face shape, and I love this gold earrings. So talking about the gold, my next favorite jewelry purchase of this 2020 is my Cartier Justin Clue bracelet. I love this bracelet so much. Look at this, how pretty is this? This is just so beautiful bracelet, and I got it one with the Justin Clue with the diamond on the nail head and over here. This is so beautiful. I've been wearing this since I got it. Look at how pretty is this. I'm so glad that I decided to purchase with the diamond one, and I'm so happy with this. This is such a beautiful, very elegant bracelet. If you are looking for some Cartier jewelry, then I will really highly recommend this Justin Clue bracelet with the diamond one. Without diamond is nice too, but the diamond is not much different, than why not the diamond, right? So let me put this on. It's very easy to put it on too. It just looks so pretty and very dainty and very elegant. I like small dainty jewelry, and this is so perfect. You know, we all have our preference. Big jewelries are good too. I felt like the big jewelry doesn't look good on me. So this is a perfect bracelet if you're looking for the bracelet. I have one pair of shoes that I really enjoy 2020 is my Valentino flats. This is the most comfortable flats that I ever owned. The good part is that I got this on sale. So every summer they do have a good sale. So if you're looking for a good, very comfortable shoes, then I will wait for the sale, and you can buy this Valentino sandal and you won't regret it. Trust me, I do have lots of other Valentino closed toe shoes, and those are the most uncomfortable, but I will tell you that this is the most comfortable shoes that I have ever owned. And if you want for summertime, this is the perfect shoes. I might buy some different colors next summer when they go on sale, and see what colors go on sale. I really enjoyed wearing this last summer, and I am planning to add another one if they have some different colors goes on sale next year. We'll see what will happen in 2021. Talking about the bag, I purchased not long time ago this Kristen Dior strap. I really enjoy wearing this one. Actually, I bought it for my saddle bag, but you know, last time I was wearing with my 30 Montang, Oh, this just looks so beautiful. Look at how pretty is this. I love the Kristen Dior, and sometimes what I do is that when I wear it, I just like put the straps around my front here. Look at this, how pretty it looks. I'm really enjoying this. I think this strap is worth the money. If you are looking for adding the different straps for your Kristen Dior bag, I would highly recommend to buy this thicker version. Even thinking to plan to buy something else like that much. I love this strap. So this is very pretty Kristen Dior straps. I love it. Another favorite purchase from Dior from 2020 is this tote book. This tote book is so pretty. I really want to buy another color too, but I'm not sure, like, you know, I don't want to spend so much money on the things that, like, you know, design will go out. But I'll wait, and if I feel like to buy, then I can buy like in 2021. Definitely, I love this bag. It fits so much things, and when I carry this bag, it just looks so beautiful and stylish. And if you are looking for to buying this Kristen Dior tote book, I will highly recommend also. I'm telling you, everything highly recommend. But definitely these all are the items that is absolutely I've been enjoying, and everything is worth the money. So this is my tote book, and I love it. That's from Dior. And let's go to the Burberry. I bought a bag for my work from Burberry, and this is this bag. I get so many compliments on this bag, can you believe it or not? I want to carry to go to work or go to just run errands, or if I have to go to work out, I'll just carry this bag. And the leather is very sturdy, and I don't have to worry about that I'm going to scratch this bag. I don't have to worry that I'm going to make some mark, because this bag is not that very expensive. And also the reason I bought it is just for my daily use. So I think this is a good purchase. I love it. I don't carry too much items, and for my wallet and my hand sanitizer, it's perfect, you know. And my mask, it's a perfect fit inside here. That's like a one compartment there, and it has this thick strap, and I love it. I've been carrying this since like I bought it every day to go to work and just to go to grocery stores and running errands. This bag is so perfect, and I love this bag. Favorite purchase of 2020 is my Chanel mini rectangular. Oh my gosh, I love this bag so much. I want this bag in many other colors too. This bag is just so beautiful, just so classy and so soft, and I love it. And I don't have any bag like this in silver and black, because most of my bags are all gold hardware. So this is my, I think this is my second or third bag that has only silver hardware, and this bag is so cute. I love it, and I'm really looking forward to add more of this bag into my collection. And this is my favorite Chanel purchase. So now the most, oh my gosh, like when I even talk about that items, I just feel so happy, and I'm so proud of myself that I did that. I pulled that trigger to buy that items. And the number one, the most favorite items of 2020 is my Chanel Trendy. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This bag is everything that I want. This bag is just like me. I felt like that, and this bag is just so beautiful. When I carry this bag, I just feel like I'm a princess. I don't know why, but you know, it's good to feel yourself a princess, right? I just feel like this bag is so fit to my personality, and this is just a beautiful bag. I love this gold hardware, and not only that, this bag has like quite a big of room. Look at this. It has two compartments here, and you can fit so much in this bag. I'm going to carry this bag with the top handle, but you can do with the crossbody, or you can do this top handle. This is such a classy looking bag, and I really love this bag. I really want this bag in beige color. Hopefully I will find one, and I want too many things, right? I need to make my priority right, which one I want rectangular first, or I want 20cc, or what I want. So anyways, this is the most favorite bag of 2020 that I purchased, and I don't have no regret of buying this bag. Sometimes, you know, we buy things and we get regret, but that bag is absolutely no regret. Anyways guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, then make sure you do thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be a part of my YouTube family. I really appreciate each one of you, and you guys mean a lot to me, and I really mean that. And thank you for supporting me on 2020, and I'm hoping you guys will continue to support me on 2021. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.